In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide all the recent file from your Photoshop homepage and you do not want to show them in the near future. So for this, open your Photoshop and go to files. From here you can see this option, open recent. So here you have all the recent file that you opened. Then you can just go to clean recent file list. So that it, you can see all the recent file have been removed. Now if I open another file, the problem you will face that if I open another file and close it, you can see we have again the same recent showing. So to remove this, you just need to click on your Photoshop icon and then go to setting. From here you just need to go to file handling. Here you will see in the below that recent file list and contents. So here the number is 10. If you don't want to show any recent file, then just give 0 and click OK. Now you can see in the home screen we are not getting any Photoshop recent file. And one more thing, if I open a photo, then if I just close this one, you can see we come back to our home page. But if you don't want to come back to your home page and you want to be in the Photoshop editing section, then just click again on this Photoshop, go to settings and go to general, and you can see this auto show the home screen, this option, and click OK. Now if I open any photos and I close this one, you can see we stay in the editor. So this is the way how you can do all different kind of things in Photoshop to hide the recent file and also stay in the editor section, not going to the home screen. So I hope this video helped. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on our next video.